Welcome back to Trippin', you guys. Last week you saw us cross the border into Canada, and this week we are on Vancouver Island. Today we're exploring Victoria, and we're starting off here at Beacon Hill Park. So let's go ahead and see what it has to offer. Come on.
Look at how big these leaves are. That's crazy.
With 740,000 square meters of waterways, natural areas, flower beds, it's no wonder why Beacon Hill Park is the crowning jewel in Victoria's park system.
Look at all of them. I've never seen this dark. Brad.
Brought to life by city staff, the Moss Lady installation was inspired by the Mud Maiden found in the Lost Gardens in England. Fun fact about Beacon Hill Park is it kind of smells like fish here. It's very interesting. I'm not quite sure why, but it definitely has a little bit of a fishy smell.
A little bit of fish, a little bit of bird poop. It's a really pretty park though.
It's huge, it's gorgeous, it has all these ponds. It's common to see citizens partaking in a tea time break, so naturally we decided to give it a go. Established in 1894, Murchie's has been importing and blending the finest teas from the select gardens around the world. Their pastries aren't bad either.
Breakfast.
Okay, so Brad, what do we have here?
So Shyla got English breakfast tea. I got Scottish. We have a caramel apple tart with whipped cream. And Shyla got a tiramisu.
Ooh, let's go ahead and try it.
We're at Murchie's here in Victoria. The tea house.
So I got the tiramisu cup. And that one's good. Oh, that is really good. It's super smooth. The cream is so good. Ready to try.
Sure. Not much of a tea drinker, but it's pretty good.
It's like a chocolate mousse pie with an apple pie. Next stop on exploring Victoria is Fan Tan Alley. Let's check that out. Located in the Chinatown district, it is known now for being the narrowest street in all of Canada. Named after the Chinese gambling game Fan Tan, the alley was originally a gambling district with restaurants, shops, and opium dens, now turned tourist attraction. The Inner Harbor is the epicenter of what makes Victoria a world-famous travel destination. Home to historical landmarks in every direction, we recommend to take your time here. There's so much to see. We've been watching the planes land on the water and it is gorgeous. We hope that you had a great time exploring Victoria with us today. It's truly an incredible place to be and I'm so excited we got to visit here.